Hi guys, about a week or so back I found this little spot, a clearing in the woods, and I had some fun flying a drone and a little biplane and my rock crawler. And one thing I found about it was it's so calm and peaceful, no wind and hidden from the sunlight. So I had it in mind to come and try this thing that I put together a little while back. It's made from the components of one of those infrared wall climbing cars. They like to call them zero gravity, but they got a little vacuum, a vacuum cleaner on the bottom that sucks them to the wall. So what I actually did was I took the motors out of it and the receiver and the LiPo, and I can control it with this. But because it's infrared, it doesn't do very well outdoors. So I was hoping if we came out here we might be alright. Now if you look across there, you can probably see the sunlight is shining down through the branches, and there's blue sky up there. All the way out here it was raining. Now I'm happy it's not raining, but the fact the sky is cleared means we might still get the same problem. When I tried it in my garden, I had to stay within about 6 feet of it to have control. I had to run after it. So we will have a go. Oh, since we last flew it, I've added a fin on the tail. I put sticky tape, clear tape on the foam to try and stiffen it up a little bit. So I don't know about the balance at the moment. I've added a bit of weight at the front there, but it's probably going to be tail heavy. Anyway, hat camera on and we'll see what happens. Right, when it stopped then, that wasn't me taking my hand off the controller, that was when it runs out of range. So that was our range, about 12 feet maximum, or 3 meters. Yeah, as I caught up with it again then, you'll hear the motor started again. Yeah, bit of a lost cause I think, to be honest, isn't it? We just haven't got the range. I've got fresh batteries in here to make sure I've got as much power as possible, but I think that's as good as we're going to get. I mean, truth is, it's flying quite nicely. But as soon as we get out of range, that's it. I might get that little biplane out again and give it another fly. Although there's a bit of wind, isn't there? Oh dear. wonder if we can get it to turn right a bit. Because I'll actually set it up turning left automatically there. Yeah, if I give it right turn, that actually reduces the power. Whereas left turn, I think, actually gives it slightly more power due to the way it's variable thrust. The other thing I'd intended to do, which I forgot about when we came out, was to bring some bigger propellers, because those are tiny. I don't know if it could handle some that are just a bit bigger and maybe give us a little bit more thrust. Something for another day. Yeah, let's take that right turn off it. Oh, bit of wind. That's going to be too windy. I think the battery might be running down a bit now because it seems to be struggling more. Yeah, definitely losing power now. Losing power and too much wind. one thing I want to try, which is move the sensor to the other side. I think we're running out of power. It's flying much lower than it was. Well, I think that'll do. We've had some fun. It sort of flies. So that'll do for today. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.